अंदर मीनार पाकिस्तान पे पाकिस्तान के वजूद से 7 साल पहले एक करारदाद पेश आई थी। उसके 7 साल बाद पाकिस्तान वजूद में आया। इसी वजह से आज हम अपने एजुकेटर स्कूल सिद्दीक भवानी कैंपस में एक प्रोग्राम रखा है।
The awareness of water, we have to save blue light. So we have only 3% drinking water. So save it.
इसको छोड़े स्टार्ट।
When fuels are burnt in factories, gases containing nitrogen, carbon and sulfur are released. These gases combine with moisture and form acids. When it rains, these acids combine with raindrops and fall on the earth's surface. It is called acid rain. These acids also combine with hail, sleet and snow. Acid rain pollutes water. It kills fishes. It destroys whatever it falls on. It damages crops and buildings. Thank you.
ओके।
It is featuring a very creative craft project. It looks 3D as crafts, and although this is very 3D looking, and everyone can design awesome and beautiful design, but I can make what for.
ये हमारा विंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के ऊपर प्रोजेक्ट है, जिसके ऊपर हम दिखाना चाहते हैं कि विंड से कैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनाई जाती है। इसके अंदर 2 हमने डायनामो फिक्स करेंगे जिससे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होगी। हमारे पास नेचुरल सोर्स और उतने बड़े विंग्स नहीं थे, इसलिए हमने इसके साथ एक बैटरी कनेक्ट करी है जो इन डायनामो को घुमा रहा है और उसी से ये बैटरी भी चार्ज हो रही है। इसी वजह से वर्किंग के अंदर हमारे पास यहाँ पे 2 लाइट्स आ रही हैं और उसी से ये वाली बैटरी चल रही है। इसके अंदर ये इन्फिनिट एनर्जी एंड फ्री एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस हो रही है। ये हमारा मेनली प्रोजेक्ट है।
He shows the directions and hues and plateaus, etc. This is the Himalaya range. It is starts from the west of the Pakistan, and it is very important mountain in our country. The temperature exists in the plate hills is very high and cool. The K2 is also present in this area in this ranges. This is also an important mountain of the Pakistan, and we continue the Himalayan range, which comes into a Karakoram range, and then which comes Hindu Kush, Kone Safed, etc. Then the Balochistan areas and Sindh and Punjab areas, which contain the plateaus, desert areas, which maintain our humidity, our temperature, and lots of rocks and clay are also present in this. We found the most important clay and rocks in these areas. In the last of the Pakistan map, the Arabian Sea is present, which is in south of the Pakistan. The 3 ports are present in this area, namely the Karachi Port, Gwadar Port, and Qasim Port.
In grade 6, my name is Dua Hanif. Atoms are made of smaller particles that are called electrons, neutrons, and protons. An atom consists of a cloud of electrons and of protons and neutrons. An atom consists surrounding a small dense nucleus of protons and neutrons. Thank you.
बच्चे का काम